you take the buckle like this. Then you take this. And then you buckle it. Okay?
Ayelet is teaching Adam how to buckle.
Okay? Okay, Adam?
All right, what about you now? Can you buckle up, Missy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Adam. Ayelet is a professional, right? Because she always buckles up. Right?
Adam, no taking off your buckle because you're going to hurt yourself.
Okay. Safety comes first. Alrighty. Are you almost done? Adam, you want to say hi? You're so shy, my love. Love you. What do you have there? What's that? What is this?
It's a cheesecake.
I asked Adam. Adam, what is this?
A cheesecake
Where'd you get the cheesecake from?
from school.
Did you make it yourself?
No.
No? Okay. Do you know why you got the cheesecake?
Yeah.
Why? What holiday is it tonight?
I don't know.
Sha.
Sha.
Do you know, Ayelet? Do you know what holiday it's tonight?
Sha.
Shavuot.
Shavua.
All right. Enjoy your cheesecakes, guys. Love you.